Nifty 50 fell 1.5% on Friday, which is 29th of May. If you search for the reason, definitely there will be one. But on the first half, what we got to know is US, Iran, they actually agreed upon some 60 days of peace and they are further continuing the peace discussion for the truce. That is one side. That was a good news for the market, right? But however, in last 15 minutes, it fell drastically, which marked 1.5% red on the day. Again, I am saying you will find a reason definitely because there has to be some justification given by the market. On one side, people are calling it as MSCI rebalancing. On another side, they are calling it because of the low monsoon, because of El Nino, Super El Nino, those kind of stuff. But put together, only one takeaway for me, this market is going to again give me an opportunity to actually buy some stocks at a discount. Let us see. When I got this news, I actually prepared my GTT orders. Since I have already told one of the strategy which I follow, out of 10 strategy, one strategy is already put out in the YouTube channel. If you have not watched, please go and watch. I will attach the link in the description. I have taken you from how to select the stock, how to actually use the strategy, where to buy, where to sell, all things which actually I personally use. I have put it out in the channel. If you have not watched, go and watch. And today we will see some of the stocks which are actually going to be available at a cheaper price for us to buy. I am going to take the same approach, but before going to that section, if you are new to this channel, this is Santosh, friends call me San, and my idea is to bring an ordinary person to the extraordinary investor through this channel. That's what I am making. If you can go and watch the videos, you will understand what I am trying to do. You might find little contrary, little different, but still that is what making me and giving me money, and I am teaching people. Let us see this Nifty chart. Right now, Nifty is 1.5% down on Friday. If you see closely, there is an important support that is actually coming out here very clearly. That is 23,500 something around. So maybe if you can tweak it little bit on the previous, then it comes around 23,800, 23,400. It has already broken it, okay? Once it has broken on 12th May and again it consolidated and came and then again it has broken. See, there might be a chance that it can go to this level also. But what I am trying to do is not on the Nifty, but Nifty is driven by so many stocks. If some of the stocks are available at 52-week low, the strategy which I have already taught you in the YouTube channel. Again, if you have not watched, go and watch that strategy. I will attach the link in the description and I will place the card somewhere here. Low. Nifty is not going to reach 52-week low, but some of the stocks are going to reach. And I usually place the GTT and wait for it to execute because I don't trade during the market hours. I plan my trades on the weekends and I actually trade it on my office hours because GTT will take care of my trade. In fact, if you want to find the opportunity, go to screener and put Nifty 50. In detail, I have covered this in the previous video. For now, I will go to the companies in Nifty 50. I have added up from 52-week low. Again, to know how to add, go to the video and see. But if I sort up from 52-week low, I get few companies like ITC, TCS, Reliance, HDFC and Bharti Airtel and M&M. Those are actually approximately 5% near to the 52-week low point. As per my strategy, like ICICI also, up to this we will take ITC, TCS, Reliance, HDFC, Bharti Airtel, M&M, ICICI. We will go and check the technical pattern of this. SEBI has changed the rule and 1 month before I will keep. Right now it is 31st May. I will keep 1 month before, 20th April. For now, I don't know where the stock price is, but I am going to check whether the stock prices are around ITC. You can go and check. So as per screener, it is showing 52-week low. Right now it was trading, again I will remove the drawing. It is trading somewhere around here, 300 rupees back 1 month. Okay. Right now 52-week low is here and my strategy is that if it comes again, because when it came here also I bought, after that I am averaging it now. Okay. When it comes again to 279, maybe I will take a one portion. Again, you know the risk management rule. If it is a large cap, it is maximum 5%. When I took the trade, first I put actually 2% and I am adding 1%, 1%, 1%. That is 1/5 rule that I have taught in the earlier videos. 1/5 means stage wise I am actually strategically positioning myself in the stock. Maybe ITC is one of the opportunity, and what else? TCS. TCS is already beaten down. If you are not afraid about this IT hangama and Anthropic, every hangama, then you can take the opportunity. Otherwise, you can forget it now. But I am still bullish, not bullish, I would say. I am still confident that this Indian sector is not going to die. Okay, because of that I am taking bets. You can take your own decision, because I am not a SEBI registered advisor. I am doing it for my educational purpose and my community's educational purpose. If you have find value in the video, please like the video. And TCS right now it is very near. If you think this is going to be the better value for the stock, then consider it. Otherwise, wait till it goes again down, but there is no guarantee that it will go again down or up. Okay, that is not in our control, and the time of holding is also not in our control. We can only control what is the buy price and what is the sell price. As per the strategy, buy price and sell price are clear. If you take the opportunity somewhere around the strategy, you are going to get 49%, not actually in 117 days. It might take 2 years also, it might 1 year also, but 50% in 2 years is also a good return. Okay, and again, what are the other stocks? Let us see. Reliance Industries. See, again, Reliance Industry got so many problem in the oil issue. Reliance, I don't know where it is, but screener is showing. See, screener is showing 2.42% for 52-week low. We are only talking about 6 stocks which are near to 52-week low for us to put the GTT. Okay, if this is a 52-week low, I will put the GTT here and wait for it to hit. Whenever it want to hit, let it hit, but our target is somewhere like here as per the strategy. And one more thing on the Reliance, I have did a specific video on the opportunities on the Reliance, not with respect to 52-week high-low strategy. It is about what Reliance promoter Mukesh Ambani committed in 2022, and what was his commitment and what price changes that we can expect is already covered in one of the video. I will attach the link in the description and also put a card somewhere here. And if you can go and see and find value, please like and share it with your friends. And other stock is HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank, again 52-week high low. I will clear the previous drawings. It's somewhere here, but I don't know last 1 month what is the price change. If it has come near to this 52-week low, then you can consider it for the target of somewhere around 40%. If it reaches in 1.5 years also, it is good. That is good money, more than FD, more than mutual fund. And Bharti Airtel. Okay, this is a new stock that came into my radar today when I was thinking that I should make a video for all of you on the 52-week high-low strategies opportunities. Right now the 52-week high-low, so 16% down. For any large cap to consider as an opportunity, I will wait for 20% of the fall. Definitely when it reaches 52-week low, then it will definitely reach 20% as pass, so that it can make as an opportunity. Then if you actually have the GTT here and sell GTT here, you can easily make 24% in a year time also. It is okay. And M&M, I don't know where 52-week low right now, somewhere around here I saw. If it comes to 52-week low, then we can take that as an opportunity, but for it to consider that as an opportunity, it has to fall 20%. It is also passing the 20%. If it comes down to this level, and again it is going to give 30% return in maybe in 1 year, 1.5 years. We don't have any control on the holding time, but we have control on what stock we buy, how much we buy, and at what price we buy, at what price we sell. I always say this is the only 4 controllables in your hand. Other than that, volatility after you bought, it can go down, it can go up. That is not in your control. If it goes down, average is strategically, because I have told for any large cap company 5% is the maximum limit. Do not put all the 5% at the one shot. Take it slowly. 2% you put. After that, if it falls down, add 1 more percentage. After that, it stays in same area, add 1 more percentage. Like that, we have to position ourselves strategically. This is what big players also do. And if it goes to target, I will sell blindly, because my target is giving me a clear indication. After that, how much ever it goes, I am least bothered, because that is a Chinese language for me. I don't know what is going to happen, because I don't know the sell price. That's how I trade in the market. That Mahindra Mahindra is also clear. And What else? ICICI Bank 5.8 percentage. Still it is far, but still we can see ICICI Bank. It's still far. Maybe 1 month, if it is somewhere here also, you can still wait for 52-week low to hit and then take the opportunity. For now, I think this is enough because I wanted to give a glimpse of how to use the strategy that I have taught in the video. 52-week high-low strategy. I have taught it from the lens of how I have to select the stock, at what price I have to buy, at what price I have to sell, how I have to execute the trade, how much I have to allocate in the trade. Everything I have taught in the attached video. Please go and see. If you have found value, please like and share and subscribe. And right now, what we are discussing today is, at the current situation, what are the 5 or 6 opportunities that are about to come? It is not yet arrived, but what are the opportunities that are about to come? As per the strategy, you can take the decision. And important is, definitely we have to see the fundamentals. Fundamentals in the sense, let me take one example of fundamental. What to see on the fundamental? For example, I will see ITC, TCS, Reliance, HDFC, Bharti Airtel. Okay, let me take Bharti Airtel as one of the example. Airtel. Okay, for me, okay, debt to equity is high. Only 0.2 is actually good. For this company might have taken so much of debt to actually find opportunities to feed their fixed asset in the towers and other things. For this company, I think it's okay because net debt to equity is 1.11. Still, we can consider, since it is a large cap company, PE is 38, which is very less from the 5-year PE, and ROC is 18%, which is also commendable. ROE is 21%, which is also good. There is no pledging. It's already 15.9% from 52-week low. It was down from 52-week high by 15.9%. When it reaches 52-week low, approximately it will be 19.8%, which is okay. As per my logic, any large cap to take as an opportunity, I want it to fall 20% so that the retracement will give me at least 20-25%. So with respect to the balance sheet, it's all-time high. With respect to fixed asset, with respect to profit and loss, okay, balance sheet, we have to see what is the borrowing contribution. Long-term borrowing 1 lakh, short-term borrowing 20. Again, lease liability is nothing but the lease, whatever we take. So if I discount that, it's going to be less from the debt to equity ratio. And with respect to profit and loss, it's all-time high revenue. Profit is little bit down. Why? Because of other income. Yes, there is exceptional income of minus 3418. If you want to study what is the exceptional income, we want to go deeper, go and read the transcript and understand. But we are covering it at high level to see how to analyze the fundamental opportunity. If this is exceptional income, this will not be counted. If we had 3,400 to 33,000, it is again 33, 34, 30. It's more than 37,000. That's what I can call it as. So all-time high profit, all-time high sales. When you see in the quarter basis also, it's all-time high revenue, all-time high profit. Again, the same problem. It's last quarter what they have actually accumulated this exceptional loss. Okay, if you add the exceptional loss, then it is going to beat this all-time high profit. Again, here it is little nuances is there. Net profit is 16%. Net profit is 16,000. Here exceptional income is 7,000 crore. Okay, which is not normal during all the years. So we have to exclude this. If you see net all-time high sales, all-time high profit, everything is normal. Chart PE, if you see the valuation wise, last 5 years it is trading at 38. For most of the time it is 38. So from net everything is good. Like that, we have to analyze every stock. If you want me to analyze any of the stocks which we have discussed today, please put it in the comment section. And if you have any questions to ask me on this strategy, on the stocks, please put it in the comment section. I will be happy to help you. If you have found this video valuable, like it, share it, subscribe the channel. Even though Nifty goes down, up, panic will be always there in the market. But how we are actually making use of the panic and taking that as an opportunity, it is in our hand. It is not only in our hand, it is also dependent on the knowledge we have. And if you want to understand such things practically, how to approach the stock market, I run a personalized sessions with my friends and family, and I am planning to extend it to my larger audience through this YouTube channel. So if you are really interested to know what we are doing practically, because out of 10 strategies, I have taught you one, and with that one strategy, we have 5 opportunities. I have presented it to you in the Nifty 50 only. Okay, if you are interested to observe what we are doing, please fill up the form and go through the website, and there is some videos which are already available in the website to show you what is actually happening in the community. And we have also a good feedback from our tribes who are there for last 1 year with me, so you can hear about what they feel about the community and take a decision and fill up the form to just understand more about the stock market. And that's it for today. Thanks for your patience. Thanks for your time. Happy investing.